This is Colin Dijs from Debru, and in this video I will show you the fastest way to make money as a beginner affiliate with paid traffic. So obviously there are a tremendous amount of videos on YouTube about this topic. All these gurus explain you how to potentially do this. In this video I will reveal you step by step how to do it and what not to do, why we choose this traffic source above anything else, and obviously the potential, the tools, the money you need to invest to operate as a real business and not just to fuck around and try something. So what you are going to need to be able to implement this strategy, and this is what I recommend to all the people right now who ask me, Colin, how can I get started with affiliate marketing, especially the CPA methods you use to build an online business? So basically this is what I recommend and this is what you need. Number one, you need a tracking software. This is not optional. This is what is required. And I always recommend to use paid tools instead of free tools because an actual business operates on good functioning tools. It is the core of your business and stuff needs to work well. Then I recommend a landing page builder, which obviously is essential. The traffic source we're going to use in combination with the vertical requires as an option to have many different features available, which I will explain in a second. And obviously, as we're running paid traffic, you need ad spend. Money to spend on ads, so we can learn how everything works, understand all the concepts, test the different sources, and then obviously, hopefully, potential, make our money back with profit when the learning phase is basically completed, right? Then optional, we also have a spy tool, which is definitely not needed. This would only be in a scenario where you have additional money or additional cash flow. You want to make the process a little bit easier for yourself. So this is basically a sum up of the cost. So a tracker will run you about $40 on average. This is per month as it is a subscription. A landing page builder around $97. So let me also give you some recommendations. For tracker, I personally use Volume. You can use Bynum, you can use RedTrack. I would definitely not recommend Beema because of a free software. It's a little dodgy. I don't really trust that kind of shit with my valuable data. Can you imagine investing into data for paid traffic and sharing it with just about anybody is not for me. Landing page builder is actually free with my Debru suite platform. So go to www.debru.com, sign up for the beta program, and you can use the landing page builder for free. Other landing page builders out there, Unbounce, what's the other one? Funnel Lab, Landerbolt, but Landerbolt is very low quality. What you need is basically an assortment of landing page templates. So for the traffic source we use, with the vertical we want gift box landers, we want envelope landers, we want scratch card landers, we want quiz landers, and to build those from scratch is an absolute nightmare for a beginner. So if they are already pre-made, is obviously amazing. I will link that down in the description below for you. Then obviously we need ad spend, good amounts of money, $500 to $1,000 a month. So businesses live on cash flow. Yeah, you and me need to eat, we need to drink water, our blood pressure needs to be okay. All that stuff, a business needs cash flow, money in, money out. That's basically how a business functions. So you cannot say, oh, let me try this for $100. Let me try this with $200. That is not operating a business, that's just fucking around. And that's not what we do. That is not what this method is for. This is only for people who are serious about building an affiliate marketing business and actually want to take that step to actually do business processes like they should be done and not, oh yeah, send this one email, make $1 million kind of bullshit, right? Okay, so optional, a spy tool for about $50. Total investment, $690 to $1,190, depending on how fancy you want to go. On average, let's say $800 to $1,000. I would say $1,000 probably a good start, especially if a day job. A lot of people come to me and they ask me, Colin, how can I start an affiliate marketing business? I just went through a divorce, I need money. I just got fired, I need money. My business went bankrupt, I need money. If you need money, that is the worst position to be in to start a business, because starting a business initially will cost money, right? If I could show you how to invest $500 and then make $1,000 every month for the rest of your life, I would have 100 million customers. Right? And that at that moment wouldn't mean shit, because that's how basic economics works. Supply, demand. If something works, then that is what it is. Business is difficult. Business is continuously changing. So if I invest $500 into a course, I might spend $1,000 because this guy on YouTube recommends it, which is me, and then do that for 6 months. So now I invested $6,500, and then I will gain $1,000 a month, which still means that I will outperform 99.99999% of the population which work a day job in terms of money to yield in the future. Anyway, science, cash flow, money. Push traffic. That is basically what I recommend everybody now to jump on if you are a beginner affiliate. Why? Let me explain you why, also known as push notifications. Colin, why don't we use Facebook? We don't use Facebook because of the freaking bans. So 3 months ago, I did an experiment with 100 ad accounts in a white hat vertical, which was insurance, and I got 83 of the ad accounts banned, and only 17 live until this day, which made it clear to me that right now, especially with US elections, all that stuff, straight into 2021, I'm not going to tell people to promote offers on Facebook. Not a good idea. Native. I am a huge native traffic fan, but it's definitely not for beginners. You need more money. You don't need millions, you don't need hundreds of thousands, but you definitely need more than $1,000 a month. Although you can start with less, it's not the ideal business potential decision that you are going to be making. Am I rambling? Probably. Google Ads. Little too complex for beginners, do not recommend. Email, not the CPA style. List building is basically being self-employed, right? You do the opt-in, solo ads, build your list, spam them with offers the old school way, and you're not a boss like me. I own 5 companies. I can go to sleep right now here, take a little nap, or I can go home, I can go on holiday, and these businesses run because I have dozens and dozens of employees installed which operate the software company, the media buying company, the investment company. Everything is running, right? So you want to be an entrepreneur, you want to build businesses. That is what I teach. I don't teach how to basically quit your job and then work from home every single day and be a slave to your desk. This media buying, this situation should give you freedom. That is my ideal, and that's what I teach. So definitely no email marketing for me, and I've never even taught it on YouTube. Fuck that. All right, 90%, just like I just said, won't take action on this video. 10% of you will. Kudos to you guys. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. I have made literally hundreds of videos already on YouTube where I basically explain all of these things I showed you, but then actually the implementational steps, just not the theory itself. Yet I still get hundreds of people every day. My Facebook Messenger is crazy. My Telegram is crazy. On Skype, I get messages. Colin, how do I do this? How do I do this? If you have detailed questions, I really do appreciate that. But generally, it's like, how do I make money? How do I do this? There's a whole YouTube channel filled with it. However, you guys mostly focus on how to make $10,000 a day overnight. You click that video, you watch that video, and it's from some guru to push your course and not necessarily the free information to implement it, because I sell shit online. You don't have to buy my shit, definitely. I get tons of messages every month which tell me just from your YouTube content I achieved these amazing results. Anyway, cut the bullshit, back to the top traffic sources. Number 1, Zero Park. High quality traffic, a lot of volume available, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. That's why they are my number 1 spot. Propeller ads, a lot less volume available, high quality as well, definitely tier 1, sublime traffic there. Ad cash, more preferred for tier 2, tier 3 offers in my personal opinion. So Zero Park, my favorite, then propeller ads, then ad cash. They have a deposit of, I think, $200 minimum. So definitely you should be able to work with those and get approved for those. Top verticals, sweepstakes, single opt-in, gift cards, right? Give away stuff for free. It has a very broad appeal. Broad appeal meaning that you don't have to target the traffic, which is not available on push, right? Because you're just going to send out a message to anyone who opted into the database. And for anybody not knowing what a push notification is, it's the things you get on your phone, right? So basically, I can send you, once you're opted into the database through a website or anything, push notification on your phone. You click it, I tell you, hey, person, do you want to win a new Range Rover limited edition 2021, which is dropping in a couple of months? You can win it right now. Just fill in your details here, and I will contact you if you've won. Then press these 2 checkboxes that I can sell your information. Thank you and bye. As soon as they do, you get paid, they get into a giveaway raffle in order to win. And that's basically my preferred method. I literally have done hundreds of thousands of these leads every single year I've been in this business. Obviously, very great business model, very easy to convert, low barrier of entry. Secondly, there is relationships-dating. People need life partners, companions for life, and that's why these offers also have a large appeal. However, you might say at any given moment 20 to 40% of the population is in an engaged relationship, and therefore these dating things don't work. Dating is also webcam girls, all this stuff which falls a little bit more under adult, but I put it here all under dating, anything with sexual relationship kind of content, right? Then at number 3 is wealth, casino, crypto, anything that makes people money, anything with gambling, anything money related, basically business opportunity, a very broad appeal again. And that is obviously the coherency between these offers is that it's very, very broad. Anybody can opt into any of these offers, and that's why they are great for push, because there's limited targeting. I'm also going to give you the geos. So basically, so far I gave you the traffic sources to use. I gave you the verticals to use. Now I'm going to give you the easy geos for testing. English campaigns. So you don't need to translate. These can be run in English with the English landing page. New Zealand, Belgium, Singapore. I have had the best experience in New Zealand. Thereafter, I just started Singapore a couple of weeks ago. Quite good results. Belgium is usually quite of mixed, but it is a very small sample size, and that's why it's great for testing. In addition to that, now I gave you the tools you need. I gave you the sources, I gave you the verticals, I gave you basically the countries you can run. Now I will give you the theory. So now you have basically everything to run your campaigns on push traffic by basically following the 3-day rule. Quite simple. Follow the 3-day rule. If you don't know what it means, how it works, Google. You can Google it, but you can better put it in the search bar above this video, Colin Dijs 3-day rule. And basically with that setup, you will win. It's quite easy. Familiar yourself with this theory and implement. It's the most important thing that a lot of people are not doing. Implement this information and you'll be on your way to success. Don't forget that if you have any questions about this, so to actually how to implement it, you want to see some examples from me, you want to see specific verticals, or you have any questions about this, what I just told you, because I went quite quick and sometimes a little bit off topic like I tend to do, post your questions in the comments down below and I'll be sure to have a look, answer all of your questions. Thank you so much for watching. This was everything for today and I will see you guys in the next one.